Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I've got my August lineup. I almost said my August TBR. I've been watching way too much BookTube again, but no, this is my August lineup, and all I have to say is it's wackadoodle time, gang. Every single combo in this lineup is just a fully unhinged, rogue, risky situation. So love that for me. But no, I think it's going to be a really fun month. Both of my off weekends are going to be bestie weekends, and then also Hell is Real is this month, and that's always my favorite weekend of the year. Well, TBD if Hell is Real is going to be my favorite weekend of the year this year because Cincinnati is inexplicably strong as hell this season, and you know, I don't love our odds for Hell is Real, especially now that we've lost Lucas. It's an actual tragedy. Anyway, we'll get into that later. So for July 31st through August 6th, I am using the May Mystery Beach Club kit from CaressPress, which is beautiful. I just love this whole vibe. Y'all know I love the Bonjour bag box. That's so cute. So on one hand, I was like, you know, Domi, this is so cute. You should just let the art speak for itself. But then on the other hand, I'm like, bitch, you know yourself. So we've got a lot going on here. So I'm using this pink hollow confetti bundle from SPC. I thought that would look really cute with it. And then for the underlays, I'm going to be layering the Plan With Me stickers rippled water underlays in blue hollow over black solid underlays, and these are from Kristen's planner. I do have a code for Plan With Me stickers. You can use DOMI15 to save and get my cute freebie. But yeah, I've had this vision in my little pea brain for months. Like, this was the first foil combo that popped in my mind when I saw this kit, and I hope it turns out well. So that's that. And then for the week of August 7th through the 13th, I'm using Splash by SPC, which is so cute. It's just so like summery and relaxing. It took me a long time to like figure out what bundle I wanted to use with this because none of the summery foil like felt like the right vibe with this kit. So ultimately I decided on just a plain hollow twinkle bundle. And then for the underlays, I talked about this in my haul too, I'm pretty sure, but there's this very cute like pink and black grid tile pattern throughout the kit. So I thought that it would be kind of fun to play on that. So I've got some pink hollow solids, and I'm going to layer some black grid underlays over those. So that is the combo for the 7th through the 13th. And then the 14th through the 20th is Hell is Real week. So I'm using the Biggest Fan kit for like the third year in a row. But we just need like a good soccer kit that's not the Ted Lasso kit, because I don't know what I'm going to use for Hell is Real when SPC stops selling this. There is a soccer ball in the deco. Let me get the extras out of the way. So there is a soccer ball in the deco. In one year I used this. I fashioned a whole like little custom full box with that soccer ball, so I may do that. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I have some crew stickers I can pull in to maybe put on this full box. But for the foil, I feel like this is relatively tame, so I have some full box overlays that are crew themed from AliciaCraft, as well as a custom quote bottom washi. I also do have a code for AliciaCraft, so you can use DOMI15 to save with her and get my cute freebie with her as well. So I'm gonna be using these, and then also PlanWithMeStickers just released some soccer foil, some headers, and some like quote boxes. So I'm gonna grab those two and pull those in. And then I have part of the soccer bundle from PlanWithHannah. So I've got the bottom washi in gold hollow, and then the soccer balls in black that I'm gonna layer over gold hollow solids. And then I'm going to layer the soccer ball header overlays over just the confetti header overlays whenever those come in. And just for like regular full box overlays, I'm just using the confetti full boxes from AliciaCraft. So I think that is everything for this spread. Okay, and then for the week of August 21st through the 27th, I'm using Just Beachy from CaressPress, and this one was a freaking doozy to pick foil out for. Like, I was having just a full crisis about it up until like an hour ago. I thought about using matte silver, but then that didn't feel fun enough for this. Like, it looked beautiful with it, but it just didn't feel fun enough. Then I thought about regular silver or hollow, but then I was putting some foil away and I saw the sparkly rose gold, and I thought that it would actually be quite pretty with this. So I've got the pool floaty bottom washi overlays from PlanWithHannah, and then I just foiled a twinkle bundle from AliciaCraft in the rose sparkle. I just love this foil. I think it's so beautiful. So yeah, I'm interested to see how it's going to look with this. I think it has potential to be very, very pretty. So this is what I'm using as kind of like the bundle. And then over the twinkle underlays, I'm going to layer the stars and hearts underlays from PlanWithMeStickers. I just don't have them in quite yet, but I ordered them in her amethyst color, which is like a beautiful like matte purple. So I thought like the stars and hearts pattern would play off the like heart pool floaties and then this like cute little star pattern. Yeah, so those should hopefully be in within the next couple days, but I think that's going to be a super cute combo. Finally, for the week of August 28th through September 3rd, we have arguably one of my most questionable combos ever. But I'm using the Sunny Days kit from SPC. This is some of my favorite art. It's just perfection. But if you've been following along with this journey, you know how absolutely freaking rogue I'm going with this spread. We're just doing a full unhinged mixed metal moment. So for kind of the bundle, I suppose, I'm using the SPC PlanWithHannah collab in lemongrass. Like, y'all already knew this had to be a lemongrass moment. Like, if you're not using lemongrass with this, what are you doing, besties? you can't get this bundle anymore, but Plan With Me Stickers does have a kind of like groovy smiley bundle, and she does have lemongrass now too, so that would look super cute with this kit if you were not able to get your hands on this bundle. But that's what I'm doing for the overlays and whatnot. And then, okay, so I've been showing my little like test run of this combo a couple times here and there over the past couple months, and then of fucking course when it's time to actually do it and show it, it's just nowhere to be found. So for solid underlays, I'm using a combo of lemongrass and magenta hollow, and then over those I'm going to be using a combo of green hollow, lemongrass, and then the magenta hollow, and then blue hollow. And I was just gonna do like these three, but in the test run, the lemongrass wasn't popping super well over the magenta hollow underlays. Like the green hollow looked way better, so I'm gonna be using these over the pink underlays. So yeah, that's that. Very interested to see how this turns out. I know it's gonna be a lot and I'm scared, but also I've had this vision for so long that I think that it could be like a moment, you know? So I'm gonna go lay these bases down and I will BRB. All right, I am back with all of the bases done, and not to be dramatic, but I am fucking obsessed with every single one of them. I feel like I really popped off with these combos, so I hope y'all like them too. But I will say though, I feel like because this month is so hollow heavy, like the bases are just not translating that well on camera. So let me bring you in a bit here. So yeah, I don't know what it is, but I feel like the ripple underlays just look so freaking good in blue hollow. So yeah, that is the first week, the 31st through the 6th. And I really like the pink with this as well. I think that complements the pink in the kit really nicely. So yeah, obsessed with this one. Okay, this one I feel like looks hella weird on camera because I feel like there's just something that's tripping the camera out with the hollow and the grid. So I will be sure to post this one on Instagram so you can see like it in all its glory, because it's just so pretty in my humble opinion. But there, hopefully you can kind of see the grid okay. And then this is really funny, like the jump from this and then to that. Okay, so this is my Hell is Real spread, and I do one every year with this kit, and I think that this might be my favorite one yet. So there's the underlay situation up close. I think those turned out really well, but I feel like the custom overlays from AliciaCraft are like what really make this spread. So we've got some quote overlays in the sidebar and then the bottom washi overlays. I just feel like it really ties the whole thing together. So I'm very excited to see this full spread done. And then this base is not fully complete yet because I'm still waiting for the hearts and stars underlays from Plan With Me stickers to come in. So this is the base with just the twinkle underlays for now, but I think this turned out so pretty. I think the sparkly rose gold was actually a pretty good decision. I was a little apprehensive about it because I feel like it was kind of a risky color combo, but I do think it's actually quite pretty with this kit. But like honestly, sparkly rose gold is so fucking pretty that I feel like you cannot go wrong with it. Okay, so for the last week, for the sunny days spread, la pièce de résistance, if you will. Y'all aren't ready. I already posted a reel on Instagram, and I posted it on my stories as well, and y'all were freaking out, but y'all y'all aren't ready. Like, oof, are you kidding me? Like, I want to be buried in this vase. Like, this is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life. I am quite proud of this vase. I could just look at this for days. Like, I'm obsessed. Not to be dramatic, but I feel like this is some of my best work yet. Okay, all right. So that is everything for this video and for my August lineup. I think I'm gonna have Plan With Me's for pretty much every week in August, so that's something to look forward to, because I know my Plan With Me's are few and far between, but we've got some in the pipeline. So thank you so much for watching and hanging out today, and I hope I see you in the next one. Later days.